Here's one way to make a DIY Raku firing kiln, part 2. We're going to take the bottom of the can and set that on a piece of fiber, and use this as a template for the fiber that's going to be used on the interior base of the kiln. It's best to use a utility blade to cut the fiber. Since the ceramic fiber is 1 inch thick, we want to make sure the Venturi burner hole sits 1 inch above the base of the can. Now that the base fiber is set in place, we're going to focus on the interior fiber of the kiln. Typically, people fire Raku at cone 06, which is 1850 degrees Fahrenheit. The ceramic fiber we're using today is Durablanket, which is actually graded for 2400 degrees. With that being said, we'll definitely be within the safe range for firing Raku. Once we get the appropriate measurements for the fiber, we can take our utility blade and cut out the necessary fiber we need to build this kiln. Since the shape of the can is slightly tapered, you may want to taper the edge cuts of your fiber. Or if you run into having too much extra material on the seam, you can just use your utility blade to cut off that excess material. Next, we're going to place this new cut of fiber in the interior part of the can. The Durablanket has a tendency of being really stiff, so you'll want to take this process nice and slow with some finesse. Stick around for part 3 where we talk about refining and cleaning up the fiber. Thanks for tuning in.